Hi Duck, we're back with another acrylic video. Yes! Sorry, too excited, a little bit too excited. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a French ombre using the Kirsty Meakin acrylic range. And there's a few different colours that we're going to use, and it's going to help you get that perfect, seamless, classic French ombre, aka baby boomer. I've already put my form on, and if you can see, it anchors down a little bit. And that's because we're not going to go like massively long. We're going to do a stiletto nail. Well, it's going to be a soft stiletto. It's going to be slash almond stiletto. Omeletto.
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 That's a YouTube channel where people put films on.
Omeletto,
yeah. Omeletto is like a sort of a Vimeo-y kind of. It's like really quite prestigious.
Oh, it is, is it, Duck? Oh, bloody hell. Right, so you can see that it's going to come straight out the side walls, and it'll be nice and short, but not too short, but not too long. So we're going to come to sort of this line here. Okay. So first of all, we are going to place down a tiny bit of in the buff. I'm going to show you the primer bottle because I love it. I'm so proud of it. And we're going to prime this plastic nail that we have on the Eliana hand because, you know, just so you can see.
Because you just want to use it. Let's have a good close-up of it. So it's for people who don't know, that is the same as the gel bottle.
It's the same bottle, but it's clear, and we've got the rose gold on it as well. Do you know what I mean? Because look, we're all matchy. So yeah, I'm chuffed, to say the least. Okay, anyway, back to the nail. So we're going to put. So this is if you're sculpting. If you've got a tip on, you could do this, but you don't have to do it. I've got a small bead, yeah. Oh, we've got a bit of fluff. We'll get rid of that. Small bead. We're just bridging the contact of that natural nail plate. Yes, I know it's a plastic tip, but we're pretending. Come on, visualise with me. And we're just bridging between the form and the natural nail, aka plastic tip. Very thin. Nice and thin. It's just there for a little bit of strength. It's not there for colour. So with white lightning, we're going to pick up a bead. 1, 2, 3. Look at the bead. It looks like wet sugar. That's what you need. I'll pop that here. And I can move that a little bit straight away. But give it a few seconds. And then go into it. Wait till it goes shiny. That's when you want to start to blend. So we're creating strength at this lateral tip, and we are blend. Nice and thin. So you want the bulk of the product to be at the tip because you want that really nice and white. And you can see that you can still, look, I can still pull it, pat and press it. It's not going anywhere, but I can move it around. It's still malleable. So you can perfect your shape. And then we're going to use Bare Booty. We're going to put Bare Booty at the cuticle area. And we're going to blend down using the brush very flat. Making that cuticle area nice and seamless as well. I feel like I just want a little bit here, so I'll just get a slightly wetter bead there just to blend a little bit. So if you want to add a little bit of colour but you want it to be a little bit transparent, pop it on a little bit wetter and you can blend. But our secret weapon here is in the buff. So in the buff is a natural colour and it will help you blend. So we're going to pop that in the middle where the two colours meet. And we're going to blend that over. Make sure we have our apex. We're not going all the way to the cuticle. You can build a little bit with this. And that'll blend your two colours together because it's a milky colour. It's going to blend those colours, and you know, like if you think you struggle to blend the cover pink colours, no matter what brand they are, and the white together to get that ombre, using in the buff over the top, perfect. It's going to give you that seamless blend. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And then we'll give that a pinch. So while that sets up a bit, I'll just go through those colours again. So we've got, underneath we've got a very thin layer of in the buff. Then we've got White Lightning. Then here we've got Bare Booty. And then our magic secret weapon is in the buff over the top to create that blend. So I'm just test pinching this. See, I'm not disturbing the product too much. It's not going to squish and then leave a dent in there. I'm going to pop my pinching tool on, give it a few seconds and just double check that we're not collapsing anything. Then I can leave it on and let the pinching tool do its work. I'm testing if it's ready to file, so I'm tapping it. We've got a high pitch tone. You know it's set and it's hard and it's ready to file. If it's a dull tone like this, it's not ready. But when you're doing a full set, obviously I'm not doing a full set now, but when I do a full set, they'll all be set anyway. So I'm going to do my normal filing routine, side walls first, and because of the shape of this, you can do the free edge shape as well at the same time. And I look down the barrel of the nail to make sure that the sides, when you look down that barrel of the nail like that, you want to make sure the sides are not wonky. So one side's not higher than the other, so that's why I checked down the barrel. I'm going to whip up the side. So when I say side, I'm going to do that side there. And I'm going to do that side there. And then I'll do down the middle. So that colour in the buff, that natural colour, it will give you something to file against as well, because sometimes if you just use the pink and the white, when you file, you sort of obliterate that blend, and this is going to kind of give you some security that you are not going to file through that blend. I'm now looking down the barrel of the nail to make sure we've got no thickness in places that it's not required. Because obviously you want some thickness in the apex, but you don't want thickness towards the tip. Because this end part, you want it to be just white, because that's going to give you that bright white, very pointy tip. Oh, it's not dead pointy, it's soft. It's an almond duck. And I do think knowing how to do this French ombre or baby boom, it's one of the fundamentals of nails these days. You know, a lot of people wear this, a lot of people will come in and ask for it, so knowing how to do it, it's definitely really, really important. And if you're wondering what this black band is here, this is to help the sculpting foam fit, and all it is the end of a
I wondered why you
glove.
fingered the end of your gloves was disappearing.
Well, I can still do the forms and that because it sticks to the glove. Forms stick to the glove, and you can't get them off, and it causes a nightmare. So if I cut those fingers off anyway, I can still use my finger, but then I'm not overexposing these two fingers to product, because obviously if I'm doing nails all the time, it's going to protect them. So I do recommend that you wear gloves, especially with the the hand that you hold your brush with. But yeah, so this bit of glove, we literally just cut it off. So you'll just cut the bit off like that, and then cut again, and then put that on, and your sculpting foam will stick perfectly. So let's buff this now.
Where did that go?
Okay. Gone over there. I'll pretend that didn't happen.
Oh, you got a mark on it.
Oh no. There we go. Let's buff. And you can see we've still got a nice C curve. So we've still got a lot of strength, and that was how the form was put on. Right, then we'll wipe over this with clean up solution. And then we're going to top coat with the glossy top coat. Shall we do glossy or do we do matte? Or should we do matte for a change? We'll do matte top coat on it, Duck. Just for a change. You could do glossy if you want to, but we're going to do matte. So this is a no wipe matte top coat. Oh, I like it in matte.
The thing with matte, I can never tell whether it's focused.
Look at the skin, look at the skin.
I am looking at the skin, yeah.
It's a beautiful ombre. There you go, guys, how to do an acrylic ombre using our new acrylic. It's here. It's finally arrived, ready for you guys. Sorry, still a bit excited. It's only the second video using it, so yeah, still excited. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and please hit the notification bell, because if you miss any videos, I've had customers coming in, I've had clients, right, and some of them watch every single video, and that's because they hit the notification bell. Some of them have said, "Oh, I've not seen that," or "I've not seen that," and I'm like, they miss so many videos.
Yeah, do you know what? Sadly, it's not even just the notification bell. I mean, we want everyone to put that on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, wherever. But it's also a lot of people are just saying that. Yeah, they're missing. It's not even just us; they're missing a lot of people. Yeah,
and it's Instagram
and
YouTube. It's YouTube especially.
Really strange.
Playing with your emotions, especially mine. So make sure you watch Monday and what day?
Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Tuesdays and Thursdays. So you'll always have a video on a Tuesday and a Thursday. So put it in your diary. Do you know what I mean? Get watching.
I don't know, actually.
Oh my God.
I might be Mondays and Wednesdays. I don't know. Oh,
my God, Adam.
I need to ask somebody, ring somebody. I honestly don't know. I can't remember.
Oh my God. Let's double check.
It's because they go out on Facebook the day after, so I can, obviously it's the...
So they always come out on
YouTube first.
YouTube first. So if you're watching on YouTube, you will see it here first. But then if you miss, you might see it on
The one went
Facebook.
out yesterday, so it must be Mondays and Wednesdays.
Mondays and Wednesdays, there we are. I'm glad we cleared that up, everybody. Can we have it in big writing here? Mondays and Wednesdays.
Oh, is that today? Oh no, it's today! Oh my God!
Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Must be Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Oh my God! Adam! Right, well, I'll tell you now. The guys editing this video, Emma and Jay, they will put here when and where we post, to just clarify that.
Because I don't know.
Because clearly, we're out the loop, aren't we? We just film the stuff and, do the content for you and all that. There is other people behind the scenes doing their expertise as well that we absolutely love and adore. You might have seen Jay on the videos as well. But yeah, please check us out on these days. Don't miss a video. We're on YouTube first, but then we'll be on Facebook. Anyway, guys, I'll go now. Now we've just confused everybody. Confused me. I still can't remember when we do our videos. But yeah, I'll see you later. Ta-ra!